Install machine main body. Move the device to the fixed point according to the layout diagram of the device. Schematic location of forklift truck. Schematic location of host forklift. Schematic location of collector forklift. Terminal takeover. Wiring. Align at the plug position and connect to the servo motor aviation plug. Similarly, connect each servo aviation plug in turn. Connect the host signal aviation plug. Similarly, connect to other aviation plugs in turn. Connect the main power as required. Open the total power supply. Open the side power supply. Conducting trachea. Connect the trachea between the winding parts and the host parts. Connect the trachea of the group pressure barrel. Connect the total trachea to the unwinding part, gel pipe. Connect the outlet hose of the H group pressure barrel to the H group gun. Connect the outlet hose of the bottom group pressure barrel to the bottom valve. Check after power. Servo alarm A810. Click the alarm interface. Click servo to call the police. Reset the servo drive with an alarm. Wait a minute after the power is cut and restart. Servo alarm clearance. Prepare before you click. Enabling to close the closing roll at the manual operation interface of the touchscreen. Manually pull the closing roll down away from the big drum. Turn the machine manually for 1 week without any collisions and lag. Open the servo motor to be enabled. Open the linkage switch of the servo motor that needs to be enabled, and do not open the linkage switch of the closing roll first. Press the click button to start the alarm. After 3 seconds of the alarm stops, click the click button again, and the machine operates normally. Volume release department. Automatic deviation correction system setting. Click Setup. Click Setup wizard. Click Start Setting Now. Long press phone adaptation. Click Start. The correction system begins to detect the limits. Click back after successful detection. Click the next step. Click the left and right arrow. Correction device can swing between the normal left and right. Click the next step. Select the photoelectric sensor. Click the next step. Click the next step. Change to automatic mode. Change the polarity to plus and change the gain value to 20. Double click return. Automatic deviation correction system setting is complete. English interface for automatic correction system. Click on Setup. Click Parameter Settings. Enter the password 123456. Click on Chinese, English. Complete by setting up the English interface. Automatic tension system setting. Click Setup. Enter password 0100. Select the checkout parameter. Click Setup. Select the checkout to adjust 0. Enter the 0 interface and press Setup to start setting. Click back after the detection value returns to 0. Select the weight calibration and set the weight at 25 kilograms. Pass the 25 kilogram weight through the tension detector. Keep the weight still and tighten the rope. Long press Setup. Both the detected and set values were 25 kilograms. Automatic tension system setting is complete. Automatic tension system is set up the English interface. Click on Setup. Enter the password 0100. Click the down arrow continuously. Select 12 system setting. Select 00. Language. Select English. Click Exit to return. Setup is complete. Display the English interface. Hydraulic paper rack. Press the material and the material button to check the material. Swing on for smooth operation. If there is no exception, check whether the oil gauge pressure is 500 to 1000 ps, 10 at the lowest end. If the loading arm is stuck, adjust the cylinder knob. On the paper, open the air surge shaft buckle. Move the air surge shaft to the upper material swing arm. Long press the feed down button and drop the gas surge shaft. Pass the surge shaft through the paper roll. Long press the feed button to move the paper roll to the upper rack and lock the buckle on both sides. Lateral location of the raw material. Adhesive width plus paperback side width plus a half paperback face width equal to paperback center. Distance of paper roll side from wallboard equal wide center below paperback distance from wallboard minus binding width minus paperback side width minus paperback face width divide 2. The center position of the paperback should be in same plane as that of the host center position. After the position of the paper roll is set correctly, inflate the air surge shaft. Molding department. Disassemble and assemble forming template. Remove the front and rear clip discs outside. Remove the bolts of the template connector and remove the template connector. Release the fixing screw for the formwork fixing beam and remove the formwork together with the formwork fixing beam. Release the template fixing screws. Remove the original template, changing with the required face-wide template. Lock the template fixing screws. Install the formwork and formwork retaining beam back and pre-tighten the screws. Adjust the template toe to the center of the machine and lock the screws. Lock the fixing screws of the formwork retaining beam. Adjust the toe portion of the molding template. Check whether the forming template is aligned with the traction wheel If no, loosen the fixing screws. Relax the fixing cap of the adjustment screws. Turn the adjustment screw clockwise to improve the toe of the molding template. Turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise to reduce the toe of the forming template. After the setting, relock the fixing screw of the adjustment screw. Relock